Good day, everyone. Tonight I want to show you my assignment. First, I want to show you the list of the groups that were created. This is the groups that were created from this point to this point. These are the groups that were created. Now the uh, this one was the members that were created, users, and along with the uh, group are the members on the right side. Excuse. I want to show you if the groups are have the specific passwords. Here are the password of Ted and Dope. As you can see here, that from Holy downwards, there's no set password. And for the group password, as you can see, the HR and the management have the password set. The difference between the regular user and the system user is the regular user has a limited function or have a limited access in the system, while the system administrator user has all the privileges or permission to use. How how groups are is the burden of the administration because it's uh, easily to give permissions. What command can we use to remove a user? Just type is sudo g pass wd uh, minus d, then the username, for example, dog, from the department or group name IT, just like that. Then press enter. Thank you for the day.